Hello guys, here we have a set of chain slider for the KLA, and I'll show you how does it work. First of all, we have this one, you see is worn off and goes just over a pipe like this, very easy, here in this point. This is the slider that goes on the swing arm. As you can see, it's like a ring, it's closed. Okay, so you have to remove the swing arm to put it on. What we did, we made here this housing for the screw, so you can open it up, slide in and screw it on. So you don't have to remove the swing arm, so it's very easy to install. So it's a very smart solution. Same thing for this one, the lower slider that goes here. You have to remove this big screw that holds the engine on the frame, onto the frame, you see, like this. We made this part like this, a belt that goes over, very easy to install, and you have a hole, this hole, you see. How you put this on is very easy. Lift the chain and goes on like this. In this hole you have a screw and underneath the nut, so it stays on like this, okay, with a screw and a nut underneath. Screw and nut underneath. The nut doesn't spin because it has a groove, exactly the same shape of the nut, you see, and this one stays on like this. Replicate the original, which is like this, okay. So these are very easy to put on and are inexpensive compared to the original. You don't have to remove again the engine screw.